Today I'm going to be showing you how I reorganized my pantry, so you're going to want to make sure that you stay until the end so you can see how it all came together. Hello my friends, today I am going to take you on a before and after of my pantry. It's sort of organized. I mean, for the most part it's organized, but you know, after a while things just kind of start getting thrown here and thrown there. You have, you know, too much of one thing and the basket or container starts getting full, so it just kind of becomes a mess after a while. So it's always a good idea to just every now and then go in and just reorganize. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to go ahead and take you in. Before we do go in, I wanted to let you know that I recorded me cleaning out baskets and going through and throwing out expired food, and yeah, didn't get it. So anyway, let's go ahead and go in. Now granted, it's pretty organized, somewhat, I don't know, somewhat organized, but got stuff up there that I don't use a lot, hardly at all. Right here is my canned food shelf. Right here is where I keep all my clear containers, and then here is where most of my food items are. But as you can see down here, there's some stuff that has started to gather on the ground. So I just need to redo everything, and I'm going to show you some of the things that I have, because I'm probably not going to use, for sure I'm not going to use those two containers, but I'm really kind of over those, and these are just really too small. So I'll show you what I'm going to use. So I really want to use these. These are the things that I got from the Target Bullseye Playground, Target Dollar Spot. I really want to use those more. And then I'm going to show you in here, I have these baskets. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I mean, I guess it'll do. Got these from Target. I think they were $6 each. I got 5 of those. And then I found these baskets from Home Goods, and it's a set of 3, and I think they were $16.99. Yes, $16.99. So I'm going to use those, and then possibly for these baskets, I'm going to use some shelves that I just got from Costco, and this is what it is. Now it says 4 shelves, so I don't really know, except it says it extends from 16 inches to 32.5 inches when combined. So we'll see, and then I could maybe, you know, use these smaller ones on those shelves. I don't know, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. So I guess it's time to get started. I'm really not looking forward to this, but it's got to be done. All right, now as far as getting this done, most of the time if you're going to organize a space like your pantry, you're going to want to take everything out and go from there, start from there. But since I already have things sort of already kind of in groups, I'm probably going to just maybe combine a couple groups. I'm not going to take everything out, basically. Like this will probably pretty much stay the same. This, that's not going to go there. I got to find a place for that because I do want to use that. So anyway, a lot of this stuff is going to stay how it is. So I'm basically just going to focus on these 2 or 3 shelves, and then this down here. That's what has to be done. So since my video messed up of me working in my pantry, I just took some screenshots of parts of the video. This area right here, I did a lot of purging and throwing away of expired foods. That's the problem with not keeping your pantry organized, is you end up having to throw away a lot of stuff. So at this point, I'm just going through these boxes, seeing what I can throw away, and then determining what is just laying around and making a home for it. Like these plastic cups down here, and then this storage bin is a stockpile bin, and I go through it. Then you can see the minute rice here. It's a lot of consolidation. And you can see right here, I am refilling my minute rice jar, and it's just about consolidation. And that has a lot to do with it. Now, at this point, you can see that I have started placing some of my bins, playing around with where I want things. You're never gonna know right away exactly where you want something. So it's just a matter of playing around with it until you get it to the way you want it and the way you think that it will work for your household. All right, I am almost finished reorganizing my pantry, but I definitely needed to clear off the floor in the pantry. So I've got everything cleared out, and now I am mopping. Mopping, you say? Yes, mopping. This is the Tenco vacuum washer, and you guys, this is a serious game changer. It vacuums and mops at the same time, and it is seriously the best thing. I did a review video, and I will put that link in the description box below, but you definitely need to go watch that video. All right, I finished mopping, and I wanted to show you the water from mopping the pantry floor. Is that not gross? But it's a high traffic area, so it's bound to get some dirt. But anyway, floor's all clean. Here is my newly organized pantry, and let me show you around. You can see that the floor has been cleared off. I do still keep my paper towels here in the corner, and what I have them in is this little crate that I stood on its end, and I just keep my paper towels there, keep them contained there. And then on this side of the pantry, this is where I had all of those Dollar Tree containers. So by me using the bigger baskets, I was able to consolidate some of those smaller ones. And of course, ooh, there was a lot of stuff I had to throw away. And here I'm using those shelves that I got from Target. I'm sorry, from Costco. And so that makes me able to stack and utilize all of this space rather than having it all empty. You want to try to utilize as much up as you do across, if that makes sense. So anyway, this was where I had the air fryer. I moved it up here with the coffee maker that was on the floor. And so this little area looks much better. I got some of the cereal in here. I bought another container for my Bisquick. And I didn't label this because, I mean, clearly it's cereal. And then up here, I used more of these tins from Target for items that I don't use a lot, but it still looks nice up there. And then up top, you can see where I have some of the stuff I very rarely use. I like using some greenery in here. I don't know, I just think it adds a nice little touch with the green and the clear and the straw, the natural straw. And then of course you have, you know, the white. I don't know, I just like the mix of all of it. I wasn't sure if I would, but I think I do. And then I emptied a lot of the stuff that had accumulated on my canned food shelf. I was able to find new homes for a lot of things since I was able to consolidate and make more room. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. What do you think? Let me know. Okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hate that part of the video got, you know, messed up. I don't know. Technology. But anyway, I hope you like everything. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything in here that I did that you might want to incorporate in your pantry organization. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have a smaller pantry and you would like some tips or tricks on how to organize a small pantry. Please let me know, because I would love to do a video for you on that. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, because it lets YouTube know that you're watching my videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.